There's a place in Tifton where friends meet. It's Hawkeye's Restaurant. For over 25 years, people enjoy Kenny Hawkins' great food. Whether it's for lunch with friends or an evening outing with family. Tuesday through Saturday at lunch, you'll find great food like fresh country vegetables and a variety of meats that make your mouth water. Cube steaks with gravy or plain. Beef tips and rice with great side veggies. Maybe a famous Hawkeye fried steak sandwich breaded the way you like it. Hot dogs smothered in onions. Chili dogs are their famous slaw dog, just the way you like it. The Swee fresh fish plate is exceptionally good and you get lots of it. Those of you that eat light, try Hawkeye's Bloomin' Tomato. It comes with chicken salad. It's a meal in itself. Hawkeye's also has a boiled shrimp salad, chicken tender salad, and many varieties of chef salads. Delicious barbecue sandwiches or a barbecue plate, or you can buy the barbecue by the pound. If chicken's on your mind, try our half barbecue chicken cooked to perfection with our excellent barbecue sauce. You can also buy ready-to-eat barbecue ribs by the slab, great for tailgating at the game. Sandwich lovers rave about the ham and cheese sandwich and the bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. And let's not forget about the homemade chicken salad sandwich. It's just like you make it at home. This roast beef and gravy plate will stop your craving for real food. Cooked to perfection by our cooks in our kitchen, it's a noon meal favorite. Thursday night is seafood night. Come eat the freshest seafood in Tifton. Oyster plates, scallops with great sides, and big old shrimp dipped and fried or grilled by our cooks. Catfish fried, golden brown, hush puppies, coleslaw, baked potato, grits with or without cheese. It's delicious. And we always think of the kids. We got great food for them, like real chicken strips, homemade hamburgers, hot dogs, and fries. Then on Friday and Saturday night, seafood and the best prime rib you've ever tasted. Cooked to please the way you want it, with baked potato or a variety of sides that'll set it off. Also on Saturday night, big, thick, juicy ribeye steak cooked over charcoal. Oh, I forgot to tell you about dessert. 12-layer homemade chocolate cake, many other flavors. Hawkeye's also caters. They help you need to make your event a success, and Kenny and staff will cook it up and serve it to perfection. I know you're asking yourself, how do I find this great restaurant and great food? It's easy. At exit 64, that's Highway 41 and 12th Street. Go into Tifton 1 and 1/2 miles and you'll find Hawkeye's on the left. If you're in town, they're at 307 12th. Kenny Hawkins' his family have been cooking and serving great home-style Southern food for over 25 years. They cook it the way you like it. Remember, we're in Tifton. Y'all come see us. Casual dining with A+ quality.